Stress has become a commonplace term in this world of uncertainty, speed, and high expectations. People often talk about stress related issues relating to their workplace or family life or travel from home to office. Hence, in today's generation, we hear this common term stress, irrespective of the age. A boy or a girl at the age of 6 to 60 or even more talk about stress. So let's discuss about what makes our life stressful, what are the symptoms, and how do we cope up with them. And let's know the concept of stress, causes of stress, and how it is going to have an impact on our psychological and physical well being. Anything that makes you tense, angry, frustrated, and miserable is called as stress. It is a condition of strain on one's emotion, thought process, and physical condition. It is a dynamic condition in which an individual is confronted with an opportunity, constraint, or demand related to what he or she desires, and for which the outcome is perceived to be both uncertain and important. Stress can be defined as a real or interpreted threat to the physiological or psychological integrity of an individual that results in physiological and behavioral responses. It is a normal reaction the body has when changes occur, resulting in physical, emotional, and intellectual responses. Stress management training can help you to deal with things in a healthier and a smarter manner. It is any type of change that causes physical, emotional, and psychological strain. Everyone experiences stress to some degree. The way we respond to stress, however, makes a difference, and the overall well being of an individual depends on our reactions and responses. What are the warning signs of stress? Changes in mood, sweaty palm or clammy palm. One finds very difficult in sleeping, sleeping disorders, digestive problems, dizziness or vertigo, feeling anxiety issues, frequent sickness, and people also have the habit of grinding teeth when they are in stress. They complain about several times about severe headaches, energy level drops, muscle cramps, especially in the necks and shoulders. They complain physical aches and pains and hypertension. So these are the few warning signs. One may not experience all the signs, maybe one or two is also a warning sign of stress. How do we identify the stress issues? Which can be of four different signs: psychological, emotional, physical, and behavioral. Psychological signs such as difficulty in concentrating, worrying, anxiety, and trouble in remembering and recalling things. Emotional signs such as being angry, irritated, moody, or frustrated. Physical signs such as high blood pressure, changes in weight, frequent cold or infection, and in women, changes in the menstrual cycle too. Behavioral signs such as poor self care, not giving importance or prominence for dressing well, grooming, and not having enough time for fun activities, relying on alcohol, cigarette, drugs to cope up with sleeping disorders. So, these are the few ways of identifying stress. And what is the impact and cause? The causes can be relating to personal life issues, general issues, life causes, or there are many different things in life that can cause stress. Some of the main sources of stress include work, finance issues, relationship problem. One may not be able to balance work life and personal life. Hence, there is a lot of expectations from relationships. Balancing them becomes very stressful. Most of the young working couples face a challenge of upbringing their children. Parenting becomes very stressful, and day to day inconvenience, such as traveling from one place to another, long distance travel, and hurdles such as difficulty in commuting and time management related issues, and pending or excess credit bills, finding insecurity in relationships, health related issues, or death of a loved one or family friend, and worrying about future, education related issues, and all these causes a stress in an individual. What is the impact? If you see in the image, the impact is on the entire physical aspects of an individual. This stress leads to several disorders. The connection between your mind and body is apparent when you examine the impact stress has on your own life. Diabetic. People are complaining of diabetic related issues, air loss, heart diseases, hypertension, obesity, tooth and gum diseases, ulcers, and many people get into the trap of bad or wrong habits of smoking, drug consumption, or excessive drinking, and even excessive eating. So, stress has a great impact, and it is being a damaging impact on every individual. So, in this session, you have understood what is stress is all about, what are the causes of stress, and how it is impactful on the well-being of an individual. The greatest weapon against stress is our ability to choose one thought over another. Maybe this session would have helped you to understand the basics introductory aspect of stress. Thank you all.